What's this?
Time for an upgrade. A hyper-premium scotch for a hyper-premium broad. No need to get freaky. It's still from Scotland. Isle of Islay.
I tried to pronounce the long name on the unfamiliar label before Mike took the bottle back from me and opened it, pouring an inch neat into my glass.
Guy in my liquor store said it's got a lot of finesse.
He looked at the caller ID and pressed the talk button.
Alexander Cooper's residence.
I rested my glass on the floor beside him and waved at Mike with both hands, mouthing the word no as emphatically as I could.
No, sir. I'm just a butler. Yeah, Mr. B, it's Mike Chapman. She's actually across the hall at her neighbor's apartment. Can you imagine she ran out of scotch? Yeah, she's fine. She'll tell you about it in the morning. They don't see anything. They don't feel anything. The perk doesn't get to say, it ain't a crime where I live, buddy. It's friggin' murder, no matter where it happens. This stuff, how can you look at it? No wonder your love life's in the can, Coop.
Mercer stopped the tape.
This guy gives us the whole crime gift wrap. We have to watch it. Make sure there's nothing exculpatory on it. You know that.
Mike was in the kitchen, his vodka in one hand, the other one rifling for the freezer. Images of Gene Eakin in Senghor's videotape assault were hard to erase. The Christofferson lyrics that had played in the background also kept repeating. Let the devil take tomorrow, because tonight I really did need nothing else. I watched the sky turn from deep cobalt to hazy gray to a bright cloudless blue. Whatever demons I